Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Twitter account after the recent updates and rebranding from X. First thing first, you want to launch the actual Twitter app. You click on the X, then you want to find your profile picture, which depends on your update version. You will have it on the top left corner. You click on your profile picture and then you want to go down where it says settings and support, the last on the left corner. You click on it and then you want to scroll all the way down to the section where it says your account. You click on your account and here you will find the last option, which is deactivate your account. So this is very important. Twitter and rebranded version of X does not have a menu that it says delete your account. They have the only menu which says deactivate your account, meaning that you have to deactivate your account by scrolling all the way to the end, click the red deactivate, and like any other social media platform, they will give you a 30-day grace period in which you might change your mind and reactivate your account, meaning that how you're going to go about it? Well, all we got to do is to log in back into your account with your credentials. So this is very important. Remember, I showed you how to delete or deactivate Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. All these platforms are at least offering you two options right at the get-go, either deactivate or delete. In the case with X or Twitter, right, you only could deactivate, which means delete. I know this might sound confusing, but it is what it is. So when you actually choose to deactivate your account and you don't go back and log in the next 30 days, your account simply will be deleted. I want to make sure that you guys realize this and understand what will actually happen. So make your plan and do exactly what you expected to happen, okay? If you're really planning to go off grid and really diminish and delete everything that you previously posted, you're going to delete it and most likely going to download your data. If not, if you just want to go off grid, well, it's a little tricky with X and Twitter. Like I said, you can do it, but then you have to log in back in the next 29-30 days, right? Otherwise, you're going to lose your account. Very important. There is no option to just deactivate and keep the account on with uncertainty like we have this option with Facebook, Meta, and IG. For more videos like this, guys, subscribe and of course come back for more.